Hi, this is Snehal with Outdoo. In this video, we'll be creating a roleplay agent in video mode, right? So you can click on create roleplay agent in your important tasks section on the home screen, or you can head over to the roleplay agent tab and then click on create roleplay agent. For now, let's just use one of the default prompts to create the roleplay agent, but you can always create the agent from a transcript from an existing call or from a LinkedIn profile. So let me add a scenario that the buyer is aware of the problem. It will just take a few moments and the roleplay agent is now ready. Now you can see that the call type or the roleplay type is basically a voice. We need to change that. So I'll just click on edit, right? And then I'll select video mode. This is how you enable the video mode. When you do that, it will again configure the roleplay agent and it will allow you to select different persona, different avatars, different voice, and so on. Right. So you can change the language and you can also change the voice. Right. And once you have done that, after you've configured the various aspects of the agent, that could be the buyer knowledge, the priority, the objections that they have, assign a scorecard, and so on, you can go ahead and publish. So the entire process remains essentially the same, just that you need to configure the mode.